Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Workspace permissions for shared editing folders, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure Google Workspace permissions for shared editing folders, begin by logging into your Google Workspace account. Navigate to Google Drive from the main menu. Locate the folder you want to configure for shared editing. Right-click on the folder and select Share from the context menu. In the sharing settings, you will see a field to add people or groups. Enter the email addresses of the individuals you wish to share the folder with. Once you enter the emails, you'll notice a drop-down menu next to each address. Click on this drop-down to choose the appropriate permissions. Select Editor if you want these individuals to make changes to the content. If you only want them to view the files, choose Viewer instead. You can also click Advanced in the bottom right corner for more options. This will allow you to set link sharing permissions. Under Who has access, you can adjust link sharing to anyone with the link or restricted. Choosing anyone with the link allows anyone. Next, set the appropriate access level for those with the link. After adjusting the permissions, click Done to finalize sharing. To ensure that everyone understands their access rights, consider sending a follow-up message. You can also revisit the sharing settings anytime to modify or remove access. This helps maintain control over who can edit or view files in the folder. Make sure to periodically review permissions, especially in collaborative environments. With these steps, you can effectively manage and configure Google Workspace permissions for shared editing folders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.